Hello everyone and welcome. This is Ashima, and in this video we'll be talking about all the banking important news events from April 2021. So in the month of April 2021, whatever important news events have been there, I'll be giving those out to you in form of one-liners and important points from that. So a quick overview for that. And before we begin on that, all of you, those who have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel for everyday updates and press on the bell icon for the notification which you can receive whenever the class is scheduled. Right? Because the current affairs class happens at 7 a.m. For everyday updates, you can join that session as well. And then we have these small videos for your benefit which are created. So you can get notifications after subscribing to the channel. Now let's start the discussion on banking updates. So the first update, Merchant Stack digital platform has been launched, and as you can see, it has been started by ICICI Bank. So it was started for all the small businesses and large e-commerce firms, and this was on the service or the app of ICICI Bank by the name InstaBiz. So on the platform of InstaBiz, this merchant stack was started, and it's going to give all the value added services for small businesses as well as merchants. Then we have Shivalik Small Finance Bank has started its operation. Now you must have heard of the name Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank, which is SMCB. Now Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank was the first bank, urban cooperative bank by RBI, which was licensed to be a small finance bank, and that was licensed last year. Now it has started its operation as a small finance bank, and this license was granted under Banking Regulation Act or Bank BRA of 1949. Under Banking Regulation Act 1949, it was given the license, and the section under which it was given license was section 22(1). Section 22(1). And furthermore, if we talk about Shivalik Small Finance Bank, which is now a small finance bank, where is its main functionality? That is, it is based in UP. Right. Then we have Bhagyodaya Friends Urban Cooperative Bank. Its license has been cancelled by RBI recently. So Bhagyodaya Friends is Urban Cooperative Bank is no longer an authorized urban cooperative bank because of some inadequate capital in the small finance in the cooperative bank. Then we have next news event, that is LIC has appointed Paytm to facilitate its digital payments. So Paytm is going to look after all the important all the digital developments that are going to happen of LIC and smooth functioning of all the payments that need to be done to LIC. So all of that is going to be taken care of by Paytm now. And the founder of Paytm or CEO of Paytm is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Right? Then we have RBI. RBI has set up a committee to review the working of ARCs. ARCs being asset reconstruction companies. So who is going to be the chairperson of this panel, or who is going to be the head of this panel? That is a former executive director of RBI, Sudarshan Sen. Sudarshan Sen is the one who has been appointed to head this committee, which is going to review the working of ARCs or asset reconstruction companies. Then the next news event is a Pay by Bank app has been launched after partnership between RBL Bank and Mastercard. So RBL Bank has partnered with Mastercard specifically for this consumer-friendly payment solution, which is first of its kind in India. It's a mobile-based consumer-friendly payment solution, and in this, all the RBL Bank account holders can enjoy the contactless transaction across the world. All over the world, they can do the transactions using this app, right? Then we have Punjab National Bank, which has launched a PNB at Ease initiative. Now, what is this PNB at Ease initiative? In this, the transactions of bank branch, which were initiated and authorized by customers themselves now. So every transaction which is done by a bank branch will be initiated and authorized by consumers themselves. And all the banking services will be under one roof now, that is PNB at Ease now. Recently, 127th Foundation Day of PNB was observed on 12th of April. On 12th of April, the 127th foundation day, 127th foundation day of PNB was observed, and on that day this initiative was launched by PNB. Then next we have is Reserve Bank of India is going to set up new regulations review authority. So this new authority is going to be set up by RBI recently, as per the recent announcement, and this is by the central bank. This is for streamlining all the reporting systems and compliance procedures, all the circulars, all the regulations. All of them are going to be streamlined and made more effective. Who is going to head this review authority? This is going to be head by M. Rajeshwar Rao. M. Rajeshwar Rao is going to head this review committee, and this review committee head, who is M. Rajeshwar Rao, he is the Deputy Governor of RBI. Then we have Amazon has launched a 250 million US dollar venture fund for digitizing the small and medium enterprises in India. This is approximately 1,870 crores fund which has been created. What is the name of the fund? Amazon Sambhav Venture Fund. Amazon Sambhav Venture Fund. This is the name of fund which has been created, and it is going to drive the agri tech innovations. It is going to drive the health tech innovation, and all digitize all the small and medium enterprises in India. Then we have SBI Mutual Fund. SBI Mutual Fund is the first mutual fund company to cross 5 lakh crore AAUM. Now here there can be a question from your side, what is AAUM? So AAUM stands for Average Assets Under Management. Average Assets Under Management is AAUM, and it is the first mutual fund to cross 5 lakh crore average asset under management. So how much growth was witnessed in the last financial year? In last financial year, that being 2020 to 21, the growth was approximately 35% by SBI Mutual Fund. Then Bharti Airtel has entered into agreement with Reliance Jio. And why was this agreement? That was right to use of some 800 megahertz spectrum. So Airtel has given right to use to Jio for 800 megahertz of a spectrum, and this is a consideration of a project of about 1037.6 crores. Then we have World Bank and AIIB, Asian Infrastructure Bank, Infrastructure Bank. It has approved some investment to Punjab, and that is a loan of 300 million US dollars has been approved by both of these banks recently to Punjab government, where all the drinking water is going to, there's going to be good quality drinking water and minimizing of water losses, especially in Amritsar and Ludhiana. That is the purpose of it. Now what is the distribution of amount? So 105 million is going to be co-financed by World Bank, 105 million US dollars, and 105 million US dollars are going to be by AIIB, 105 million US dollars by AIIB, or you can say Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank. And there's going to be 90 million of investment. The remaining 90 million is going to be invested by Punjab government. This project has been approved now. World Bank has approved 32 million US dollar project to Mizoram also. And what is this Mizoram project related to? It is for increasing the quality and capacity of health services of Mizoram. Good quality health services. ICICI Bank and PhonePe have tied up so that FASTags can be issued online. So all online recharge and conveniently getting FASTag is the purpose, and for that both of them have entered into a recent agreement. Then Paytm Money has opened up new R&D center, research and development center, and this R&D center has been opened in Pune currently. Then we have Axis Bank. Axis Bank has sold its UK arm recently. So this arm has been sold out by Axis Bank recently. And this has been sold to whom? It has been sold to Open Pay Holdings Limited of UK. Then SBI has inked 1 billion US dollars loan agreement with Japan. Now, similar agreement was inked by SBI last year also. That is in 2020 October month also. Similar 1 billion agreement was signed up. So together, if we amount it, that is about 2 billion US dollar agreement has already been done between SBI and Japan Bank. That is JBIC. Right, this agreement has happened. Then we have RBI has extended deadline for processing the auto debit payments by another 6 months, being till September 2021. So next is till 30th of September 2021. Then we have government which has announced 14,500 crore capital infusion in 4 public sector banks recently. Total infusion was 20,000 crores as per the budget, and recently 14,500 crores investment has been announced. Which are the 4 public sector banks we are talking about over here? They are Central Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, and the fourth one being Bank of India. These are the 4 banks in which this capital infusion is going to be done, right? And if we have a look at the total amount, that is going to be 20,000 crore in public sector banks. That was announced at the budget. Then Union Bank of India has launched Uni Carbon Card recently, and this was in co-branding with HPCL. So co-branding has been done with HPCL, and it is a RuPay card. So partnership with RuPay as well as HPCL. Right, and in this there are going to be various benefits that are going to be given to the consumers via this agreement. Then the last news event being government has pegged market borrowings at 7.24 lakh crore in the first half of financial year 2022. Overall borrowing expected is 12 lakh crore as per the budget which was announced on 1st of February. And from that, for first half, government has announced that it would be requiring 7.24 lakh crore rupees. Right now, with this, we wind up the segment. These were the major news events or development related to banking awareness and financial in the month of April 2021. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and have a great day ahead. Don't forget to like the video and share the video and subscribe to the channel for everyday updates. Also, you can visit the detailed current affairs session which happens every day at 7 a.m. You can join us over there as well for detailed discussions. Until then, goodbye, take care, and have a great day ahead.